Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a compelling fish video. First, let's talk about your gear. You will need a camera capable of filming underwater or through glass, like a waterproof action camera or a DSLR with a good lens. Proper lighting is crucial. Aim for a soft, even light source. Also, a stable shot is key, so consider a tripod or a gimbal for smooth footage. Now, let's dive into filming techniques. Try to move your camera slowly and deliberately, following the fish as they swim. This creates a sense of immersion. Don't be afraid to experiment with various angles, perhaps shooting from above, eye level, or even slightly below. Focusing on individual fish can capture their distinct personalities and behaviors, making your video more engaging for viewers. Optimizing your lighting and the fish's environment is vital for stunning visuals. Natural light can be beautiful, but dedicated aquarium lights offer more control. Avoid direct, harsh light that creates strong shadows, obscuring your fish. A clean tank is absolutely essential. Even small particles can appear large on camera. Aim for pristine water and spotless glass for the best results. Finally, let's talk about post-production and sharing your masterpiece. Editing is where your story comes together. Arrange your best clips to create a compelling narrative, perhaps showcasing a day in the life of your fish. Select background music that complements the serene or active mood of your video. When sharing, craft an intriguing title and description to attract viewers to your amazing fish footage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.